big energy and big conversations happening in Dubai today. I'm heading in to speak with Nicky Tozer, Senior Vice President, Europe, Middle East and Africa at Oracle NetSuite. Join me and let's hear what she has to share. So let's welcome Nicky on TECHx Media. It's great to have you here with us. We talked last year and I'm glad we are connecting here again for another conversation.
Thank you for coming back.
So let's start with the key highlights and announcements this year. What are the announcements at SuiteConnect Dubai this year?
So the main announcement at SuiteConnect Dubai this year was NetSuite Next, which is the future of NetSuite. We had some other announcements around e-invoicing, around subscription metrics, and also around exception management. And we had some customers speak about their experience in use of NetSuite as well.
Interesting. So what makes it a strong fit for customers in UAE and GCC region?
Well, as we heard in the introduction today, we understand that this region is very technologically advanced and it employs a lot of people who are very passionate about technology, and AI is more of an expectation and not an ambition, so it fits in perfectly with what Oracle NetSuite is doing with AI and the big announcements that were made today. And also a lot of our customers are requiring a new ERP system because they are growing internationally. They're expanding geographically, and NetSuite is absolutely perfect for companies who are growing, expanding into new countries or regions.
Interesting. You talked about growth, global growth. So what is that is driving this exponential growth in the region and globally as well?
Well, most of our customers, NetSuite, are small, medium businesses. We have many startups and scale-up companies, and they want to invest in something that's going to support their growth from their very startup to their ambition for growth. And that growth may be being a product company launching a service, or a service company launching a product, but also that growth into new regions, new countries, both in this existing region but also across the world. And that's a real staple in our NetSuite customer base, so that really drives growth. There are always new companies starting up and those companies are always growing, so that's really driving the growth of our NetSuite customer base.
Very interesting, Nicky. We all know that Oracle started early in cloud. So how has that early foundation in cloud prepared NetSuite for the AI era?
Well, you know, you point out there that actually 28 years ago we pioneered ERP in the cloud, which meant that our customers invested in a unified business platform in the cloud to run their business. And that unified business platform is exactly what makes it absolutely ready for the AI era. So AI is about data, and the best data is your data, and your data in a unified platform. That means that you can have all of your different departments using one set of data, and that's driving better use of AI as it learns what your business is doing and is better able to make predictions against it.
So building on my previous question, how are you helping organizations in the UAE turn AI into real and practical business value?
Yeah, so I think we heard from the three customers we had on stage today that they are all driving growth, and everybody is expecting AI to support that growth. And what AI is offering them is the autonomous capability to automate processes, which means that they have more insight into their business, and then they're able to be agile in the way they respond to that insight, so they can drive better growth strategies using the data that they have in place on the NetSuite platform. So I think there is real expectation that AI is going to give everybody that better insight into driving that growth for their business.
With those expectations in mind, how do you see NetSuite evolving in coming years in the Middle East region?
Well, I think the Middle East region is a very high growth area for companies in general, and also for Oracle NetSuite. So as we talked about the scalability of new companies joining and the growth of those companies, I think we continue to see that growth in the region with NetSuite and our customer base.
Thank you so much for your time, Nicky. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.